Are these 100 gem seasonal chests worth it, guys? So I'm going to explain if this is worth it or not. So if you're a beginner in Clash Royale, this is not worth it because you'd rather use your gems for grand challenges, classic challenges to farm more cards and gold. But if you don't play that, you can consider this. But I think this is only worth it if you don't have enough seasonal chests to get the guaranteed Ghost Evolution shard on the 25 opening of this chest. So I already got it on my main account. So for example, you're at 24 out of 25 and you already claimed all of this. You can purchase one to get the guaranteed Evo shard for the Royal Ghost. Besides that, if you're into emotes, I'd rather purchase an emote because that's a higher percent chance that you'll get the reward that you want, because these are random. So you can get banners, emotes, evolution shards if you're pretty lucky, but the odds are pretty small, so I won't count my luck. I opened 25 chests on all 3 of my accounts and I only got 1 Evo Ghost shard from my main account. So that's how low it is. So but if you like to gamble, up to you. But for me, if you're still not max player, you don't have max level cards, I'd rather not spend it here. I'd rather use it for grand challenges. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.